Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to see how reading of the program takes place and how it is transferred to your tapes. So there are certain medium which helps in giving the input to your PC or to your part programming. So there is a program reader which helps in reading the instruction and transferring to the input system. So program reader is used for that purpose. The input can be in the form of part programming, which is manual, or it can be computerized, but the reader helps in decoding and giving the signal to your tool. So I'll give an example of a punch tape reader. So the reading is in the form of a punch tape and the punching is a form of symbols, letters, etc. So the reading or the program is fed on the tape. It is being loaded on your computer or on your machine. So unloading can be done in your microprocessor in the form of decoding, which is provided to the tool so that the machining can be done. So the commonly used tapes are pneumatic or electro-pneumatic or any other kind of tape. So these tapes are used on which coding is done. Also with punch tape there are card readers. In card reader the program is not fed in the form of letters or any kind of carvings. It is fed in the form of binary numbers, which is 0 and 1. So binary coding can be done on this card and the speed of this card is 12 to 1000 cards per minute. So again the process is same. Coding is being given to the card and decoding is done so that the tool moves in a proper position, and all this process is done in your microprocessor. So these are certain kind of program readers. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.